Hey crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. Today we are going to make a gift card box featuring products from Scrappy Boy Stamps. With stamps today, we're going to use the Boy Band stamp and die set, the Boy Band pattern paper pack, and the 3D book gift box die set to create a gift card holder box. All right, I've already cut out my pieces for my gift box. I've cut out my base layer of my book from just some purple cardstock. I also have all of our other little parts and pieces off to the side. I've got this layer that we're going to use, and then we also have this layer that we're going to use on the outside of the box. So we're going to work on that first. You're going to want a mouse pad or a stamping pad, something. Because you're going to take your bone folder and you're going to burnish that center section of your gift box to help it give it that round shape. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to come in with your bone folder and just do that center part. And I'm going to say if we could go ahead and fold and burnish these score lines, so we can kind of see where we're at. You can see it's starting to take the shape of a book. So you're going to do that until you get those fibers broken and it is curling around the way it's supposed to. Just like that. I'm going to turn it this way and do this side a little bit more. So that's just like that. Now to do your outside of your book, you're going to want to do that also. So you're going to want to kind of curl that up a little bit, that decorative edge. So just use your bone folder, get it to curl. You could also use a large stylus if you have one, but that way that will fit on the outside of your box. That's the trickiest part to this whole project. So we'll go ahead and we'll attach this down to the outside. We'll go ahead and add those pieces. So we'll just add that on there. A little bit of room there. Then we have our top layer of our book. So we'll go ahead and add that. That's going to go in there. Just like that. We're also going to need to do this layer as well. So we're going to go ahead and fold those score lines. All right, for the inside of our book box, we have our box base. You have one for the center, and that's for our gift card holder for the inside. You have the two side pieces and the two end pieces of that for the inside. Plus you have your pieces for the outside of your box. We're going to work on the base of our box first. So we'll take and fold all of our score lines. Fold this over that side. We'll do this one, our little flaps here. And that's one right there. Now we're going to go ahead and add our inside pieces to our flaps before we do anything else. So I'm going to add these to the inside. And actually, we can add that in a minute. We're gonna go ahead and do these because that way these will be hidden. I think that will be better. So we'll build our base of our little box here. Then you'll add this side. Because if we put that paper in first, we're not gonna be able to hide those flaps, and we want to hide those. So we'll go ahead and do this side. And we'll do this one. Now we can go ahead and attach these to the inside. And we can just line that up and hide anything. So I can do that one. And we've got our 2 end pieces, and then we'll do the pieces for the outside. Add those in there. That way we have a nice little lined gift box. And I will measure that box so I can tell you what size they are. Then we have our little piece for the inside. You could do this side if you wanted to, and I think we will that time. Just so we have a little contrast in there. All right, the finished size of the inside box is a little under 4 inches. It's like 3 15/16 by 2 3/8, 5/8, 2 5/8, no, 2 3/4, I'm sorry. 2 3/4, and it is 1 little under 1.5 inch tall, 1 3/8. So it's a pretty good size box. All right, here are the pieces for the book outside. So we've got, these are embossed, and I cut them from a little bit warmer cardstock for the pages. So we're gonna add one on there. We will add one to the other 2 on the ends. So we'll add these on. Then we can do this one. All right, now this little piece, we're gonna fold. This is what's gonna help our box hinge. So we're going to take and attach this underneath our box. Just like that. We'll make sure it's even. And you could use red line tape, which might be a better choice. So I will add a little tape along there. Cut that off. Then I'm going to add glue to the bottom. So we're going to take this and we're going to close this up. We're going to line this up right at the edge of our little score line, right at the edge of the crease there. So we have a good margin all the way around. And we're going to close that down. So now we need to attach this to that so that it's easier to stay close. So we're going to add liquid glue here. And we will pull that up and press this into place. That way it secures our box in. Press that in. I can always press in with my bone folder to press this in. There is the gift box part. Now we have a couple pieces for our gift card holder for the inside. So we're going to take our little gift card pocket and we're going to fold our score lines. And let's see, we got that one. We've got our little decorative piece for the outside, so we can go ahead and add that. So we'll go ahead and just center that onto our little gift card pocket holder. And then we will add adhesive behind on our little flaps. So I will just add liquid glue on here. Sure we get in those corners. And then that will go on the inside of our gift box. And we'll just hold that while that glue grabs. And then to decorate the outside, I have already stamped out 2 of my little guys from the boy band and colored them. I also cut out the little brackets for the outside of the box, as well as a label that we can put a sentiment on. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our little brackets on the corners of our box. And there's a couple different options in the set, in the die set, that you can choose different brackets if you wanted to put them on. But they go right in the corner. The little decorative metal brads on a book. Those edge pieces. And I only really needed 2. Because I did not do pattern paper for the bottom. But, I mean, you could, if you wanted to, you could decorate that side too. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do our little sentiment. This could go actually on the spine as well, but you just have to curve it. We're just going to go ahead and stamp one of our sentiments from our stamp set on that. So I'm going to take and I'll pull in my Misty so we can stamp that sentiment on our little banner. I'll move my box out of the way for a second. Grab my Nocturne ink. We'll go ahead and put our stamp away. All right, so there is our sentiment all stamped out. We move that. We can pull our box back in. We can go ahead and attach this to the front of our box. I'm just going to put it right here. Like it's the title of our book. And then for our little guys, I'm going to pop them up on some foam squares. So we'll just add foam squares behind our little guys. I'll add one over on this side. And actually, let me pull this up just a tad. So we'll add one right there. Pop foam squares behind our other character, little boy band guy. And we'll pop him on the other side of our box. And then we will add some gel pen highlights to our little guys so that they have some highlights. We'll add a little highlighting to them. Some over here. All right, my friends, so here's our little gift box book gift card holder featuring the boy band stamp set and pattern paper from Scrappy Boy Stamps. If you need any of the supplies you've seen today, I have them all linked and listed in the video description below. If you like this video, you're probably going to like the one coming up right over there, and I'll see you over in that video. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.